Have you been clipping your curves the hard way? When you sew curves in projects, before you flip them right side out, you always want to reduce some of the bulk and tension in here. And you can do this many different ways. So that way our seam lays nice and smooth when we flip it right side out. There are 3 ways you're probably used to doing this. You can clip into the fabric. You can cut away the excess about 1/8 of an inch away from the seam. Or you can fold the fabric and cut out wedges. But those methods can be pretty time consuming, especially if you have a big project. But there is a method that combines all 3 of those methods into one, and it makes it so much faster and easier. And if you've been reading the comments in my latest YouTube videos, you've probably read about this technique there. This technique is so great that I can't just keep it in the comments. I've got to share it with you. We are going to make clipping and cutting curves a breeze by using pinking shears. Real quick, if you're enjoying these videos, make sure you like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel a lot. And if you want to learn even more about sewing, well, make sure you check out my online and in-person classes, along with my online sewing club. There's links down below for everything. Now, let's get back to curves. Pinking shears can come in a lot of different shapes and sizes. These are some vintage Russian ones I have. These ones are new. This is the Florian pinker you might have seen in one of my latest videos. This here is a pair of gingers, and this one here is called the antelope. These 2 vintage ones here are pretty cool, the antelopes, and then these ones from Russia. And they both have really unique teeth on them. The ones from Russia have a different teeth cutout than the regular pinking shears. And then these antelope ones here have like a flat little box almost encasing the shear. Any fabric pinking shears will do for this technique. And I say fabric because there are paper pinking shears out there and those will not work on your fabric. So just make sure you're getting a pair of fabric pinking shears. So you're gonna see here why this is a combo of all the techniques. I'm going to put my zigzag close to that stitch. It's going to cut off a lot of the extra and it's creating those little wedge shapes. So we're going to get that release of tension around the curve because we're getting the extra cut out and cut off all at the same time. So now this curve is pinked, so when I flip it, it's going to lay nice and smooth. So let me show you. Let me flip it right side out. And even without ironing it, you can see how nice and smooth that's laying. I'll give it a quick iron and then you can really see how nice that curve will be. I gave my seam a press and it's beautiful. It's laying super smooth, all thanks to the pinking shears. So next time you need to clip some curves, grab your pinking shears. It works great. If you enjoyed the video today, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when all the new tutorials come out. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for watching today. And if you're not a subscriber yet, well, make sure you go subscribe. And if you want to learn even more about sewing, make sure to check out my online and in-person courses, along with the online sewing club, where you get a new pattern and all kinds of sewing lessons every single month. There are links down below for everything. And if you want to know what's going on in the studio right now, make sure you check out my Instagram stories. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye.